How to find fingerprint lock settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find fingerprint lock settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find accounts, and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find this one here, fingerprint. Click on it, and if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it here, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.